Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix camera not working or blurry on your INFINIX Note 30 VIP. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and we're gonna swipe the lens. So we want to go back here. As you guys can see, it looks a little bit dirty, so we're gonna swipe it off using a microfiber cloth. As you guys can see now, we want to make sure that we really get in there, and after we clean it like that, it should be good. But we can also use a brush for it. So as you guys can see, it looks a little bit dirty, and of course we can use a brush for it. So I got a big brush right here, and now we want to make sure that we get rid of everything, and now everything is perfect. So we can turn back around, unlock our phone, and what are we gonna do now is we're gonna clear the camera app cache if we have any. So go to settings, now go to app management and go to app list. Here we want to check for camera, and we want to go to storage and cache. We want to clear the cache, and now we want to go and restart our phone. So we're going to press the power button only. Now we're going to tap on restart, and we're going to tap restart again. Now it is restarting, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, we're simply going to open the camera app and see if that fixed the issue. So let's go over. Let me quickly take a picture, and now let me take a portrait one too, and I'll let you guys decide if it is really working. So I'm pretty sure that the cameras now are really good, and the quality is definitely there. It is working, and etc. As you guys can see, we can notice everything. This is the portrait, now this is the normal one. There's still a lot of quality. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.